birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
This is proper golf you're watching.
Dirty 4-ball. Play stopped because of a car.
Car stop play.
Is it a golf?
Hey!
Hey! You get that?
Yeah.
Delete it.
That's his practice swing.
Hockey sticking it. How many times have you hit your 3-wood today?
Once.
And it was good? There you go, 100%.
What's that you going your hand?
3-wood. He's just hitting it all round now, all the way around, every shot. How far you got, Phil? 80 yards. What are you going with 3-wood? I don't think so.
Can we just stop at the 19th and just have drinks and beer and food and...
Yes.
Yeah.
If this doesn't go, this is going on eBay tonight for £100 if anybody wants it. If that goes in water and he's charging £100, I don't want it.
I'm just going to draw this into the flag.
Draw it in. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
not.
Right, wet left. It's all good.
Football season's finished now, so we can be during the week, twice at weekend. I'll be breaking 100, stroke 90 in no time.
Good man.
Watch this space.
We're not leaning back today because
Cole's here.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Cole. Tony Kelly in the first 9. Prime Stephen Gerrard in the second 9.
Tony Kelly first 9, Zico second 9.
Zico.
Zico, yes. Forget the first 9. Absolutely woeful. But yeah,
It wasn't your best, but you stuck at it.
big improvement.
Yeah, massive.
And a very enjoyable day.
But you
Despite
started-
the rain.
You started getting,
It
you
was
started getting a little bit annoyed with yourself, I think, on that front 9, didn't you?
I did.
And then just absolutely creamed it back 9.
Yeah.
Fair play to you.
Thank you.
Phil, no idea where he got on. Not got a
Tony Kelly,
clue.
pre-season, both 9s.
Pre-season Tony Kelly. Wow.
Zico!
Let's move on then.
Jelly and ice cream for the Wigan fans. Like and subscribe.
Phil saw 2 fantastic shots from you today, and other than that,
there were the highlights of the day, just the 2.
what a 2 though.
They were the highlights of the day, but you know what?
2 creaming drives.
I quite enjoyed it actually, now I reflect on it, because I've now brought Phil down to my level.
You know the flat man.
That's how we do it, Phil. I've been doing that for 2 years.
It was nothing to do with him, the way I played today.
I think that must have been a 200-yard shot into the green, wasn't it? On that set, on that.
It was his 7.
No, it was a nice shot that.
Yeah,
One of many, like I said.
good. And then we lost you because you started playing really slow. The lot of you. I don't know what happened there after that. Keith's here. Keith's got an important announcement today. It's going to shock everybody, apparently.
How are you?
I'm alright.
You alright?
Yeah, you?
It was horrendous today, wasn't it?
Yeah, shocking.
Tremendously so. I
Shocking
mean, some
conditions.
greens were waterlogged, so it was hard work.
What's this
There you go.
announcement?
It was terrible.
They weren't as waterlogged for us though, but we were playing a lot quicker than you, I think.
Yeah, that's true. You didn't get that 4-ball you sneaked in, didn't you? Dirty 4-ball. How dare he?
Okay.
There must have been relations of somebody in this group.
Tic Tacs. Andy, it
Paul,
was a pleasure to play with you today. I thought you played really well, considering that you're, looking for a blue badge. Were you black? Were you back? Not you black. You're back.
Black. You can't mention that, Paul.
got a black back.
Damn.
But are you allowed to play with AIDS? Because you had a sumo wrestler's belt on today.
I thought you meant
Hey. The sexual.
Carlson, just go back in clubhouse.
I mean, that's got to be news to your mum, surely.
Speaking of mummy,
Yeah.
Mummy, it works.
I mean,
Well, kind of.
Andy's got a bit.
When it's not right all.
Andy doesn't play with technology at all up until now, and now he's got a new watch. He was arguing with all of the energies on the board. I mean, the funniest thing. I mean, I've never seen any man ever argue with a wooden board ever. But yeah, fair play, Andy. I don't know, to be honest with you. I played all right.
Fantastic today, pal.
I played well. My fairway shots were half decent.
Let me do the big announcements. Let's have a segue into the scores.
Right, okay.
Paul, that means shut up.
Right. What do you think, Carson?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. Good
He
stuff.
smashed some great balls today, just having them chip out.
What's this big announcement?
A big announcement in a minute.
Come on then.
Get it out, Fred.
Right,
Already?
right. Go for the big announcement.
Okay. So we'll go to the scores.
Scores.
Do the big
No,
announcement.
the announcement is the scores.
Oh, I didn't
You're
know
going to say
that.
it in a minute, because you'll all go, no, beware. But anyway.
Oh,
Right, so, net scores.
everyone's tempted.
In the
Everyone.
6th position with a net 90 and a gross of 116 is Philip Ray.
Well done, Phil.
I don't feel.
Told you I brought him down to my level. In 5th position with a net 87 and a gross of 123 is Cole.
Well done,
Well done, Carl.
In 4th position, just outside the points, with a net 86 and a gross 105 is me. In 3rd position, with a net 82 and a gross of 116 is Phil Barrett.
Well done, Phil.
And in joint position,
first!
Joint
with
first.
a net 73, gross 107 for Paul, and a gross 95 for Andy.
Oh, well played, Andy. Brilliant stuff.
Well done, Andy.
You can't Mexican wave yourself anyway. Good play.
Right, Stableford, quickly, we'll go through the Stableford. Phil Ray 19,
Well done, Phil.
in 6th position, in 5th position with 22, me 22. 4th position with 26 is Phil Barrett.
Well done, Phil.
Well done, Phil.
In 3rd position with 28 is Colin.
Superb.
And again tied in 1st position with 35 Stableford is Paul and Andy.
I'm beginning to fall out with you now, Andy, at this point.
Big announcements coming down. In the putts.
Oh.
In last position with 40 putts is Colin. In joint,
Don't even recognise it.
in 5th position with
Well done, Cole.
Not even a little cricket nipple though, was there?
No, nothing. You just cast aside, though.
in 5th position with 39 putts is me.
Ooh.
In joint 3rd position with 37 putts each are the two Phils.
Ooh.
Not again. Not again.
Going first, and after scoring 50 putts last week
Oh.
in even atrocious conditions,
Oh.
Paul gets 34 putts.
Well done, Paul.
But I still have not beat you, though, have I? I can't believe you, Andrew.
And again, in these atrocious conditions where the greens were an inch deep in water, and I'm not kidding you, an inch deep in water with 32 putts. Is Andrew Foster?
Well played, Andy. He was brilliant today with his putting.
Unbelievable.
Tell you what, we still can't get them 28 putts of Brandon.
No, we're never going to get 28 points out of Bromley.
That's never going to happen.
How can you go
Somewhere, Belfry.
from
The Bell
50
End
putts
course.
in really nice conditions to 34 putts in crap conditions?
Keith, I don't understand my game. I don't understand my game. I don't expect anybody else
How
to.
the hell did you do that?
Anyway, before we all go,
Oh,
hang on. Hang on, before we all go, happy birthday to Andy.
Happy birthday, Andy. We're not going to jump on your back.
No, we have to
No.
do bumps.
Yeah. How many bumps is it, Andy?
Are we having a happy birthday?
Yeah.
Happy birthday
What?
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Andy.
Carson's not joining
Happy
in.
birthday to you.
He is now.
Hey, hey.
Well, the tricky conditions here today. It's disgustingly chucking it down. Hi Phil,
Hi there.
you alright?
I'm good.
You in fun?
I'm love the rain.
Glorious, isn't it?
£14 for a new glove here. Fucking
£14?
ridiculous.
God, Amazon are cheaper.
Had a
Go in,
remembered
how
teeth.
are you?
Morning, Keith. I'm alright, thank you. How are you?
Wonderful.
Good.
It's a glorious day for it, isn't it?
First time in the rain.
First time in the rain, this?
Can't
Oh,
wait
heck.
for third and fourth.
Hey, you're in for a treat, Cole.
It's nothing more than a few tears from high above. Playing in the northwest of England, what do we expect?
The irony of it.
Sunshine? We'll just got rid of smog. Morning, Cole.
Morning, Paul. How are you?
I'm alright.
Good stuff.
Good weekend.
Yeah, not bad.
Bolton, promotion,
Great 3
playoffs,
points.
No,
potential.
play 4 more games.
Yeah, I'm in it.
Alright.
To
There
all
you
our
go.
Wigan viewers, sorry boys.
Going
down.
30th. Your birthday
Not
tomorrow.
sure if there's many Wiganers in South Korea.
Anyway, all I've got to say to the Wiganers is jelly and ice cream.
That's a massive brolly you're carrying there, Keith. A massive brolly.
Yes. Well, you need a big brolly when you're doing golf.
You do. Andy's over there with his ailments.
Oh, I've not got my card.
He's got a bad back.
I've got a brolly from one of our new sponsors,
Oh yeah?
Joseph Ash. Premier Galvanising. Joseph Ash.
Where did you get that from, Phil? Was that when you went to...
Went to some posh golf course, can't think what its name is. Keith will remind you.
Slips my mind all the time.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Bell End? No, Belfry.
The
Bell End's at the Belfry.
It's an all different video.
Did you do 28 foot? No?
What?
You did only 28 foot.
No, I didn't do 28 foot.
We haven't heard about Phil's round at the Belfry, have we?
It wasn't very
Should imagine there's
impressive.
a reason
it was
for that.
okay. It wasn't impressive. I didn't break any records. I went round. I was happy. I hit greens. Couldn't putt. Not like Keith.
Yeah, it's taking part that counts on a course like that, isn't it? Phil's here.
Morning, Phil. Morning, Paul.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Brought your caddy.
I feel like I'm on a rush this morning.
I know I do.
Brought your caddy as well.
Slow it down. It's all good. Just stand in rain for a bit. Be fine, won't it?
Well, yeah. Get wet, why not?
Right, so ready. Spinning tea.
It's spinny tea time.
Spinning
Keith.
tea time.
Fine,
How
mate.
many of us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, here's Phil.
Phil.
Phil. Phil. Hey. You three.
Okie
So,
dokie.
between you three, do you want to... Andy's here.
Paul first.
Excellent.
Andy second.
I'll look at that.
Paul first. And between us three. Me first. Phil second. Phil last. Phil's and Phil's.
Have a good game, chaps.
Have a good game. Play well. Play well.
Have fun on your
Play
own.
well.
Play well, play well.
Today, but play well.
Let's get round, Andy.
Play well, lads.
You want your first game? You want me to make a card?
If you don't mind, I can do it at the end.
Paul, play well, mate.
You too, Phil.
Pleasure playing the two Phils together.
It's bulletproof, nothing to lose. Here's Andrew.
Andy with his knackered back.
He's got a bit of a ropey back, but he's playing through it. He's a great guy. This is star of the show. Go.
Ooh, that could be range.
Back on the fairway. Keep going in the middle of the fairway.
Is it back on the fairway? In off the range?
Off the tree again.
What a shot, Keith. Kick left. Kick left. Oh, heard you say that loud. How do you get, Keith?
6 and 2.
Well, a daunting tee position over water. How are we feeling about this one, Andy?
Not feeling very great after the last fucking tee shot.
Cole?
Yeah, absolutely ecstatic, mate.
Confidence exudes to us all.
Doesn't it just?
We'll be right.
You get that?
Yeah.
Delete it. What I meant to do, but wrong direction that time.
Oh! Claim it then. If you thought it had gone in with flight, claim it.
No, that's alright. 6 and 2.
Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. Ooh, just shy. Thought that more than I thought it murdered it, that. It's gone left. Somewhere down there.
Yeah, that's a great shot. All in one. Get in the hole.
Oh.
Jesus.
28th. It's looking more and more like a colon exam with all these bushes filling out. Very tight hole. Oh, trouble.
Not over.
It's dry, but only just.
Trees, don't know where it's gone. That's his practice swing.
Well,
Ah, he's over.
oh, yeah.
Yes, what a drive that was.
Hey, Joy.
Watering hole. It's a watering hole, this. Right there.
Possibly.
What can go wrong? This is proper golf you're watching.
If this doesn't go, this is going on eBay tonight for £100 if anybody wants it.
If that goes in water and he's charging 100 quid, I don't want it.
Oh, it's on it. It's on it. Nice shot, Keith.
Not going into, it's not going for sale on eBay tonight.
That's a great shot.
Oh yes.
She's on.
Phil on the tee. Phil B. Sounded good. Oh, overshot the green.
Front nine done, Phil. How are we doing?
Yeah, I think you've just heard Philip background there saying he might go home. I think I might follow him.
It's a bit moist, isn't it?
Oh, it's been horrific.
It's a bit moist, but we're getting there. You're 60, you're 60, you're 60, you're 61, I'm 52. That's not great, is
That's
it?
not good.
It's a reflection on the day, Keith.
Yes.
Very poor golf today, mate.
Well, bring on 50.
We're gonna shoot.
45.
We're gonna shoot par going home now. This is it. This is it. The rain has stopped for a minute, and 61. I know it's. We're getting there though. I don't think there's any record-breaking scores going into there. I don't think so.
Can we just stop at the 19th and just have drinks and beer and food and
Yes.
yeah.
Let's
Let's just,
Yes, we
and
can.
let's just not carry on.
Oh no, we've got to do the golf.
Oh no, let's just go on beer.
Phil's mind is drifting.
Well, that sounded good.
Come right, front of the bunker.
How many
The
times,
fact the 5 iron was good for me because it got me on green.
how many times have you hit your 3 wood today?
Once.
And it were good? There you go, 100%.
What's that you going your hand?
3 wood.
He's just hitting it all round now, all the way around, every shot. How far you got, Phil? 80 yards. What are you going with 3 wood?
I actually had a mate in Dubai that only played with his 3 wood up to the green. Up the shaft, down the shaft. Yeah. Alright, Mr. King. Eh? How's that 0% Guinness in Saudi? I'm going to have a raft of Guinness this afternoon just on your behalf, mate.
He always pulled it. Bunker.
Yeah, okay.
Hockey sticking it.
Take it away, please.
Ah. 3 on 3.6.
The opportunity for Cole.
I'm not being funny, look at this fucking water wheel.
It's been wet today, look at that on the green. Probably a 30-foot putt for birdie.
Oh,
Oh,
Cole.
misread that.
Cole.
Lucky Cole.
He's going up that far. You can't get out there, can you? I'm sure there's a bollard at the bottom there. Wow. Stop. I've never been stopped for a car before. That's a whole new thing.
You got it on video? Yeah. Play stop because of a car.
Car stop play.
Is it a golf?
Hey!
Hey!
He's here always.
Oh, look at that. Poetry in motion. Poetry in motion.
Water shorts.
Wait, 3 iron, everyone.
3 iron.
Not pushing the way.
You're fucking with it.
Tell you what, that would have been a perfect shot. Come on, Bernie.
No birdies today, Keith. Come on, get one for us. In these horrendous conditions. Oh!
Give it a good go.
You did.
No, not good at that. Good putt, Phil.
Half foot.
Well, the rain's getting ridiculous at the minute. The rain's ridiculous at the minute. I think Andy's going creating some more moisture over there somewhere. How do we think we're getting on, Col?
Really touch and go for Andy.
He's totting up, no scores.
It's been a much better back nine.
Definitely been a good back nine.
Much better back nine, but still way off the pace.
You're not playing enough golf, or Col? You're not
No.
out every week.
I'm not.
Don't beat yourself
Well,
up.
football season's finished now, so we can be during the week, twice at weekend. I'll be breaking 100, stroke 90 in no time.
Good man.
Watch this space.
How'd you feel getting on, Andy, today in this grim weather?
Yeah, it's not the best weather and I'm not firing on all cylinders today, but
No.
I've tried.
But your back's held up, so that's good
It's
news.
held up, yeah.
Happy days.
Oh dear. What a shot that is. Oh, it's short. I thought that was right on green. Oh, tactical play, Col, fringe again.
Magician, the tactician.
Go on,
back
Col.
in play.
Go on, Col.
I'm,
No, I've got the camera running.
I've got it.
All right, okay.
Oh, that's good too.
Bunker.
Oh, it's leaking a bit, right?
It's all right, that.
Shorter and all, isn't
All right, short for a chip, innit?
Yeah. Ooh, that's
that's
good.
all right.
It's a good shot. It's out right though. Good length on
All
that,
right,
Col.
yeah, it is that. That's say what else.
Shot key. Shot key.
This is the best one.
Oh, run. Run.
Died, didn't it?
Well, I'm trying a different iron today.
Like a sentiment.
Trying a different iron today.
Oh, different
Yeah.
one.
This is a driving iron.
Look at that.
Look at this.
Where you got that? Where you stole that from?
Good hit there. Let's see.
Yes. Yeah. That
Yeah.
works.
Drove through it. That's about it.
Where have you got that from? Yeah. It's a thing of beauty, isn't it?
I'm just going to draw this into the flag.
Draw it in. Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Right, went left. You nearly went down.
Andy for birdie on the 18th. Get in. Ooh, it's a good effort. Tap it in for fell apart.
Wow. Yeah, that was a big thin, that one.
Oh. Club's completely turned in the hand then. 7 for 2 to finish. For the most disgraceful round of my life.
The conditions
And I've lost
are
my
off.
head cover for my putter, so I'm really mad.
Thanks, Jen.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Cheers, Phil. Cheers, buddy. Thanks, Phil.
Phil.
Appreciate that. Thanks, Carson.
Thanks, Carson.
Cheers,
Good
Carson.
man.